Hi, I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
Welcome to 4-Minute Friday Fun with BCSC Tech. Haven't seen you in a while.
I know.
Today we're going to do It's Learning. And what are we going to show them in It's Learning?
We are going to show you how to use a rubric to grade in It's Learning.
All right. So once you're in your course, what you're going to do is go to your settings and go to learning objectives. So the point here is to give student feedback, good feedback, and again, kind of be able to let students know where they're at using a rubric. So once you're in the learning objectives, there are a lot of ones that you can bring in. So you can find certain ones, and that includes ones that are from Bartholomew, National, Global, can get all of our state standards, or you can create your own. So I'm going to create my own here, and we'll just title it Dogs. And put in
We don't ever do anything dogs.
Put in a description and save it. And then what you'll need to do to add the rubric piece is add assessment criteria. So select the standard, click on assessment criteria, and what you'll see is that you can add criteria. So this would be, let's try breeds of dogs. You can add a description here if you want. And then it automatically gives you 4 grading places. You can change that on the previous screen. I'll show you how to change that. But you can add a description here as well. But it counts
Below
advanced
basic
as 4, and it counts below basic as 1. And you can change the headings in there as well on the settings. And you can add as many as you want. So
Colors of
I
dogs.
don't know what else to put there. Got anything else there?
Size of dogs. Yeah,
so let's say
size.
we have 3 there that we've added. So 3 times 4, it'll be worth 12 points or out of 12 points.
Okay.
And then up here, assessment settings is where you can change the number of levels and those level labels. So there's a way to change that if you want. So then once you're in your course, you will go and add a assignment. So let's say you're just an assignment. Add a description. I'm not going to worry about deadlines or any of these. We do have another video on how to use the assessment tool. I'm going to score it, and I'm going to add a learning objective. So here I can go into my created ones, click on my dogs, insert, and close. And then you'll notice that it's out of 12 automatically,
right there.
and it puts it in there, and then you can save it. So then I'm going to have Delaney take the assessment.
Be right
So she'll have to log in and do this real quick. But once you're a teacher and you see that your students have submitted it in their course, then hopefully what you'll see is the rubric pulled up to grade. So while she is trying that, hopefully go ahead and click on the folder.
It's loading. There it is.
And then I'm just going to have her put like a simple answer. But, you could have students enter videos, things like that. And then she'll submit it. I'm going to have to refresh this here to get updates on this. So hopefully I'll see that. Let me go down to the assignment again, if I can. So once you're in here, Delaney's answered it. I can click show, and then it'll bring up the rubric. So her written response is right here. And if it was a video, you could play it. And then you select what you want to score it.
You can add a comment.
Yeah, you can add comments below right here. So great job. Probably should give more strategic feedback than that. You can change it whether they meet expectations or not. So select status, meets, mastery, and give comments there. And you'll notice it adds it up right here already for you. You can add comments back down there. And then
files.
you can add files if you want, and then save it. And then that'll save to your gradebook. So,
And then the student automatically gets a notification up at the little bell up here
Yep.
that feedback has been given to them or
Yep.
that they've been graded.
So it's a nice way to give student feedback, keep it student engagement.
Yes.
If you're thinking about the framework, it's a nice way for you to show feedback in terms of what you're assessing as well for action and expression. Thanks for joining us.
Happy Friday.